controller, and universal mounting clip that is compatible with most of the smartphones, action cameras, and digital cameras. The tripod is not only small but also portable and adjustable to any surface to hold onto. The tripod comes with a universal phone clip to hold the phones, a mount screw for action cameras, and a Bluetooth remote controller for Android and iOS devices. The JOBY size phone tripod is made of very strong material, so that it can hold your devices with ease. This tripod is portable and you can get perfect angles to shot, with its adjustable octopus-like legs. It can even be adjusted to cling onto any object, or even to use as a stand for tablets. That adjustability allows you to take clean shots from angles that is otherwise impossible for common tripods. The tripod can stand still and stable on any kind of surface, as it is made out of very strong durable plastic and foam material. Its ball head and no slip feet makes it easy to position and straighten devices very easily. The tripod has a wireless remote controller connected via Bluetooth that can be used to take pictures from up to 30 feet, and compatible with both iOS and Android devices. It can be used to shoot time-lapse videos, and can be used as stand for phones or cameras in vlogging videos.